Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the new pet Magnum in Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so Pumpkin Fest just came out, and with that we also got a new pet, which is called Magnum. It looks like this. I'm currently one battle away from getting this. All you have to do is complete a few battles that it adds up to 20 battles if I counted right. So yeah, I am currently one away from it. All you have to do is do 20 battles. You can rather do that by doing just pumpkin battles every single day for 20 days, which I would not suggest. That would take a very long time. The other thing that you can do is that you can battle in like Firefly Forest or a place like that, and you can get battles that way. So yeah, now I'm going to be getting it. Alright, so the pumpkin is right here. Let's go ahead and get into the battle and hopefully win the game easily. Or the battle. Alright, so we're gonna start it off with a mythical epic attack, Hot Snow. We got the question right, and here comes Blue Fury. Mag Mayhem. I don't think this is actually a great idea, because Mag Mayhem does more damage, but hopefully we can take it out next hit. So we're going to use Volcannon again, this time with this pet. Actually, we didn't use Volcannon last time. There we go, we got the question right. Hopefully this is... okay, we did do enough damage. So yeah, we just got Magnum, and that will eventually evolve into Magnum if you have membership, or if you have not yet used your one free evolution. I'm not sure if I can get one because I have already evolved a pet with memberships, so I don't know if I can do that anymore, but yeah, let's go ahead and get Magnum. Alright, there we go. We got Magnum, and if you have 10 extra candy corn, you would, or if you have membership, you would also get another 10 candy corn. So yeah, that is how you get Magnum. Let's go ahead and look at it real quick. So you get it at level 90, which is very good. I'm pretty sure the other ones used to be at 15. So this is what it looks like. It has 10,510 hearts when it's on level 90. It's a storm element. It would evolve at level 27, but of course, if you can still evolve it even if you get it now. So yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.